Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eunice Mathis. I'm a registered nurse and the owner of Florida Training Academy. I am so happy I finally received my Narcan trainer and I requested the device from Narcan.com approximately 6 weeks ago. So it did finally arrive, and so it comes in a really nice package. And if you've not yet requested your Narcan training device and you are a nurse, a physician, maybe a health educator, I highly recommend that you do so that you can prepare others, so that you can be training the public and also healthcare workers on how to administer the life-saving medication Narcan in case of an opioid overdose or a drug overdose. And so I'm going to go ahead and do the unpackaging so you all can actually see the device. And I will make sure that I put the description in the link below. And we also have a few training videos that will teach you how to perform CPR and also how to use Narcan. So here we go, everybody. Let's go ahead and open this package up. So everybody, this is what's in our kit. We have our Narcan, our nasal spray. It's a reusable device that's used for demonstration purposes only. There is not any medication and it's not for human use, but we're just going to practice this on our mannequins. In addition to your Narcan training device, you get more product information. It lets you know how to order Narcan. It also comes with a nice brochure, and the brochure lets you know some statistics, and you can utilize these statistics within your courses. I really like this. They gave us little cards that we can give out to our students, and our students range from anyone who could be an entry-level medical professional all the way to business entities and also city and government entities. And so this on the back lets the entities know if they qualify for discounted pricing. We don't actually have any real Narcan here at our training facility. However, they did provide us with stickers. So if you are a government entity, or if you're maybe a school or a community organization and you order this particular free Narcan training device, when you receive your kit, it's also going to have labels where if you are providing Narcan nasal spray, you can actually use these labels too. Of course, there's product information and then your quick start guide. Again, this is Eunice Mathis with Florida Training Academy. And if you are an instructor or a health educator or a nurse or a doctor and you want to order this free Narcan nasal spray training device, you can do so by going to Narcan.com. Again, I'll have the link in the description area below, and I'm going to show you a video next on how to administer Narcan. Have a great day, everybody.